Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package with sports suspension, sports exterior and interior, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A macchiato beige MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut trim. Panorama sunroof. Come around rear spoiler. E300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Comfort box for extra storage. This one does come with the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system. Heated seats. Memory seats. Ambient lighting. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Rear view backup camera with sensors. Navigation. Dual climate controls. Gloss black center console. Hard keys for a media display. Wireless charging. USB ports. Touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. Dynamic select for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 52,797 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.